Hello guys, my name is Adrian, I'm 30 years old and I'm from Romania. I've decided to make this video today to say hi and also say thank you for subscribing. We are really close to 1,000 subscribers and I have to be honest, the content was not that great. So thank you for subscribing. Things are about to change on this channel. I've recently bought a BMW E90 from an auction in US and imported it here in Romania. The idea was to build this car into my daily driver, but things went out of control lately with this COVID situation and I lost my job. Now that's not necessarily a bad thing, because now I have a lot more time for my passion. Of course, the budget will be tight, but I came up with a new idea. I've decided to buy cars from US, like I did with this E90, import them in Romania, fix them if needed, improve them, and eventually sell them for a profit. This is new territory for me as well, but I bet you anything that there is money to be made from this. Of course, I'll be filming everything so you can guys follow along. Full disclaimer, I'm not a licensed mechanic, but I have a passion for cars and mechanics since I was a little boy. And if I need help, I'll be going into one of my friend's garage where we will be able to fix anything. When it comes to editing, I'm just learning. I will be using this setup right here, and I hope you guys enjoy this series. Let's get started. This BMW 3 Series, it's a 328i, it's a 3-liter inline 6. This is really good for modifying. You can add a turbo to it, an intake and an exhaust, and you can easily make about 400 horsepower without changing too much to this car. The engine starts, so there is no problem there. Very first thing to one of these cars that I would suggest you do is to go through the maintenance. You just have to change oil, spark plugs, filters, everything there is to be changed like that, just to make sure everything works properly. You never know what the previous owner has done to this car, so it's really a good idea to do so. As you will see a little bit later on, the oil filter that I found in this car was really bad. So actually this proves my point. It has about 30,000 miles. In kilometers this would be about 55,000 kilometers. Not that bad. Here I'm just removing the number plates because there will be new number plates coming on, just temporary number plates. They are good for only 3 months. After that you have to get permanent number plates. The process is a little bit different here in Romania than it would be in US, but we have to get through all that. So I'm taking all these screws off so I can remove the number plates right now. This is the oil filter. It looks very bad. Please don't do this to your car. As you can see, this is really bad. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment box below, and if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.